Now the weather and Steve Anderson. Since we have had a frost, we are now officially in Indian summer, right?
Yes, we are officially.
For how much longer?
Well, we're going to have Indian summer at least through Wednesday.
Okay.
And then by Thursday or Friday, we may have Indian fall, or whatever you call it, when it gets back to normal. 28 degrees last night, the low temperature. Believe it or not, maybe it's easy to believe, that's the first night we've been down to freezing or below yet this season, and we certainly shattered the old freezing barrier, and we may do it again early tomorrow morning. Let's take a look right now at the temperature outside. 48, 72 the high. Wonderful weather. 28 the low again this morning. Relative humidity 46%. Wind is south at 5. The barometer rising at 30.03. We check around. We find weather watchers with mainly 70s out here, including warmer temperatures mainly to the north, 76 in North Glen, and some warm temperatures also way to the west at Wheat Ridge, also 76. Statewide temperatures today, 60s and 70s for most mountain locations, and Rand at 56. 70s out in the west and in the east today. 80s here yesterday, but 60s today. But nice 72 in Denver, one of the warmer spots in eastern Colorado today. First picture we have for you on the satellite is Tropical Storm Miriam. That is what was Tropical Storm Joan when it was in the Atlantic. It had one name. Now that it's crossed over Central America near El Salvador and moving towards Guatemala, the center of it is out here in the eastern Pacific. It gets a new name. It's called Miriam. Maximum sustained winds 55 miles an hour. That's the direction of movement, and this is rare. Last time it happened was 1978 that one sort of skipped over Central America. We call this a satellite loop. We put together pictures every hour. We start here at about 3 o'clock this morning. Mainly cold air we're seeing here. As we warm up during the day, we set this in motion. Not much change here. That's the story with the satellite loop, is how nothing is changing. And watch this area. It's a big upper level low pressure system swirling around, bringing good old-fashioned snow, winter-type activity from Minnesota, Wisconsin, on up to upper Michigan, where they have picked up about 5 inches of snow in some places. Snow advisories on. Still clear, the latest satellite picture shows us. And as we take a look a little bit farther out around the country, a lot of clear skies yet tonight, way to the west and to the central part of the country. But this low here is still causing problems. As we bring on national radar, you can see which clouds are producing precipitation. Thunderstorms down here in the south end of the frontal system here, mainly rain showers, but some snow on this backside of the low pressure system. And again, that will continue, it looks like, as long as this low is taking its time getting out. This is an upper level trough of low pressure here, which is all of this area. High pressure, warmer weather for much of the west with this high pressure ridge, as we call it. But it looks like the flow is going to be coming less northwesterly, maybe more westerly by later in the week, which could allow some little systems to come in. But that certainly won't be the case tomorrow. We'll look at some snow still around this low pressure system, maybe way up to the north here as well. Some rain showers. The front will push way out into the Atlantic, just tailing off here over parts of Florida. But again, we'll be under all that sunshine tomorrow and very nice temperatures going like this. Some 60s and some 70s in Colorado. Cool spot. Highs in the 30s and 40s up around the Great Lakes region and Ohio Valley. That's for tomorrow. Warm spot again, of course, out in the desert southwest. Here's your forecast for Colorado. Sunshine in the west, the mountains, and the east. We bring on lows like this in the west. Those are highs tomorrow. 54 to 68, your highs in the mountains. And in eastern Colorado, with all that sunshine, we'll have a beautiful day. Temperatures from 64 to 78 degrees. Let's take a look at Denver's forecast now. Clear and cold tonight. Another 28 possible tomorrow. We'll call for sunny skies, 74 degrees, the low temperature 30. Looks pretty good as well for Tuesday, maybe a slightly cooler day. Nice on Wednesday, but we're indicating a slight chance of rain showers Thursday and Friday. Temperatures cooling to 66 on Thursday, and wow, 58 on Friday. But low 60s is normal.
I don't even remember 58.
It's been a while.
Cappy.